Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've been asked quite a few times this week, what do I do with Skype if I have it installed and now that it's actually abandoned? Well, it's an app that becomes a useless app because it just doesn't work anymore. So it's like everything else. When you have an app that just serves no purpose anymore, uninstall it. It's the best thing to do. Why keep things on the computer that you don't need? So simply go to your settings and to the app list, and in the apps, in the installed apps, you will go down and you will see that there's Skype at some point. When you see Skype, all you have to do is click on it and click the uninstall button to remove it from your PC. So it will be in the installed app lists in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and you can just remove it because it will serve no purpose. It adds, the possibility that over time with updates, something could be wrong since it's not updated anymore. There could be something that suddenly becomes incompatible with a future version of Windows or your devices. Same goes for any device that you have Skype on it. If you had Skype on your smartphone, on a tablet, on a Mac, remove it. It becomes totally useless starting from now. And of course, there are other ways of doing the same thing that Skype did now. And unfortunately, I know a lot of people came back to me saying, well, you're kind of sad that Skype goes away because they were using it. They were used to it, and it was the app that they favored because it was something they understood easily. But Microsoft, of course, wants everybody to move to themes, so that's why it does not want Skype to live. And it got an extension. It was supposed to be killed many months ago, and finally they gave it an extension until now. But May 2025 is the end of Skype. Just uninstall it from any device that you have. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.